Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors, make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle, meant for another.
All right, guys, here it is. Got my makeshift wall I built. I got the truck all primered up. It's all one color for now. Got the bumper all smoothed out. I didn't do the whole bed because it's blue, and I'm gonna be painting the truck blue anyway, so it's got a blue sealer on it. So I mean, it works good as primer. This bed isn't the one that came originally with the truck. The guy I got it from just got it. And again, like I said, I'm not gonna be keeping this bed, so I'm gonna spend a whole lot of time on it. But as you can see, I got all the glue off. Everything's smooth again. Thank Jesus. But yeah, after this dries a little bit, I am going to block it. And then after I block, sand it smooth, I will wipe it all down with the tack cloth. Some 50-50 water mixture with acetone and water. That's how I always do my degreasing. And then I'll start laying down the base. Y'all don't laugh at my ghetto curtain. Turn this off. I got the truck all blocked down. It's all silky smooth. And now I'm mixing the paint. I just dumped a bunch of pearl in it, so I'm trying to mix that on in. But yeah, let me get this sprayed and I'll get back with you guys. I got a mask on, so I hope you can hear me. I got the base coat on, as you can see. I'm waiting on my wife to get back for something I'm going to try before I clear it. But yeah, that's the color. Alright guys, got her all painted up. That's turquoise with a seafoam pearl. Let me restart this video and I'll put some light on for you. There, let's see. There you go. Now you can see the pearl. I like the way it turned out. I'll upload this video in a little bit. Hope you guys like it. If you're just now checking in, hit that subscribe button. This channel is more than just screen printing and mini trucking. It's what I do every day, day in, day out. If I go on trips, I'm gonna record it. Whatever, I'm gonna record it. It's just me having fun. That's all YouTube is to me. But I appreciate you guys checking it out. God bless, and man, have a great day.
Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors, make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle, meant for another.